I'm particularly excited about the independent living cottages. We spent a lot of time designing these, and it was important to me for them to feel like the home that maybe someone has left and moved into the Gardens at Somerset. I love high ceilings, as you can see here, and so they have high ceilings, lots of windows. I love rooms filled with light, but they're designed in a way that they make connecting with other residents and participating in some of the programs very easy. They're also lock and leave, so if a couple would like to go on a trip, they're easy to lock and leave. But they can also interface with the other residents of the Gardens of Somerset. They can be a part of the food plan and all the different services that can come out of the main facility, such as laundry and care and that sort of thing. And they're set in a garden, so what would I not love about that, right?